Marma massage is an Ayurvedic technique that involves stimulating certain points on the scalp to enhance hair growth, improve blood circulation, and to promote relaxation. I will guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to perform Marma massage on the scalp for hair growth. To be honest, when I researched about Marma massage, most of the videos confused me. So after I learned the techniques, I thought of doing this video showing you guys simple massaging techniques that will make a big difference in your hair. So let's get started. Take some coconut oil, warm it up on a medium flame for 1 minute. Warming the oil enhances its effectiveness. This helps the oil penetrate your scalp better, enhancing its nourishing properties. Section your hair using a wooden comb. Dip a cotton ball into the oil. Apply the oil on the section. Make sure to cover every section of your scalp with the oil. Massage the crown region. To find the crown, first place your thumb at the tip of your nose. Now move your fingers straight up along the center of your face. Once your finger reaches the highest point on the top of your head, you have found your crown. Using your palm, press 5 times. Now using your fingertips to massage the crown area in circular motions. Repeat 5 times. Now place your index finger between your eyebrows, which is the place where women applies bindi. Gently massage in circular motions. Repeat 5 times. Using index and middle finger, massage the temples in circular motions. Repeat 5 times. Now place the thumb on the temple and massage in circular motions. Repeat 5 times. Make your palm in a closed lotus position. Using closed lotus position, gently press the front of your scalp using your fingers. Press 5 times. Now using circular motions, massage the scalp. Repeat 5 times. Using index and middle fingers, press the area near the temples and at the end of the eyebrows. Press 5 times. Now massage in circular motion for 5 times. Using your fingers, go from front to back on your scalp. Massage your scalp in circular motions using your finger to finish it off. I hope you found the information helpful and feeling inspired to include this massaging techniques in your hair care routine. Remember, consistency is the key. So be patient and give your scalp the love it deserves. If you find this video useful, then do share it with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Until then, I will see you next time. Take care. Bye. இப்போ தான் ஆன் பண்ணுறேன். ரொம்ப நேரம் ஆச்சு கேமரா ஆன் பண்ணி. நான் மைக் இப்போ தான் ஆன் பண்ணுறேன். சாரி